I did a thing. This is my poor man's digital readout. So I bought a brand new Vernier caliper, digital, from Mastercraft, and I made some modifications to it. Somehow I was able to drill a hole through this. It was horrible, but I did it. And then I had to actually just use a grinder, cut a slot, and then kind of angle it so that it captures, if you know what I mean. Like cut the blade and then angle it so I cut the circle and cut it short so it fits, cut the ends off, and drilled and tapped this piece there, ground a nice little surface on there, drilled and tapped it. So now I can dial in my Z-axis a lot more precisely. If I want to just take off 10 thou, I can just dial it in. 25. Or whatever, 5 thou, 10 thou, whatever you want to do. 1 thou. It goes down to half a thousandth. That's 5/10,000ths, I believe. Anyway, that's how you make a digital readout for your Z-axis for, I don't know, like $20, whatever. Bye.